Welcome to our comparison video, where today we're diving into the world of home fitness by comparing the Sperax treadmill and the Elseluck walking pad. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we aim to help you decide which treadmill suits your home workout needs the best. When it comes to price, the Sperax treadmill comes in at $499, offering a range of features for the fitness enthusiast. On the other hand, the Elseluck walking pad offers a more budget-friendly option at $249, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save. The Sperax treadmill boasts a 2-in-1 folding design and remote control functionality, making it versatile and convenient. The Elseluck walking pad is praised for its simplicity and minimalistic design, focusing on what's essential for a walking treadmill. With a 2.5 horsepower motor, the Sperax treadmill supports up to 280 pounds, showcasing its power and durability. The Elseluck, although slightly less powerful with a 2.0 HP motor, still supports up to 220 pounds, making it a reliable option. For those with limited space, both treadmills offer space-saving designs. The Sperax easily folds up, while the Elseluck's compact design allows it to be stashed away conveniently. Both are suitable for smaller living spaces. Elseluck stands out with its 24-hour customer service, offering support at any time. Sperax, known for its ease of setup and no assembly required feature, minimizes the need for customer service interaction. Overall reviews for the Sperax treadmill highlight its quiet operation, ease of use, and suitability for small spaces. Elseluck walking pad reviewers appreciate its minimalistic design, quiet operation, and ease of use, making both products well received by their users. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope it has helped you in making an informed decision about which home fitness product suits you best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Until next time, happy shopping!